Welcome to our video. Today we're diving into a common coding problem that many of us encounter. The issue at hand arises when using curly braces in a pipe function, leading to confusion about the need for enclosing variables in quotation marks. Our challenge lies in understanding how to correct this discrepancy to ensure our function runs smoothly. Now, let's delve into the solution provided by our expert. By utilizing a clever workaround, they created a new function called split_to_long2. This function captures the argument using in_nextPr from rlang, converts it to a character, and then seamlessly integrates it into the split_to_long function. This ensures that the variable is properly handled, resolving the issue we encountered earlier. Building on the previous improvement, our expert further refines the code to enhance its efficiency. The revised function, split_to_long3, incorporates the necessary modifications to handle the argument effectively. By converting the argument to a character and adjusting the code to accommodate this change, the function now runs smoothly without any hiccups. In conclusion, we've successfully tackled a common coding problem by implementing innovative solutions to ensure the seamless operation of our functions. By utilizing clever workarounds and making necessary adjustments, we've overcome the challenges posed by variable handling in pipe functions. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more coding tips and tricks.